Happy day to all. This video is for concept clarity. Before doing this video, we ran a poll and the results were really interesting. Only 18% answered that both spinal nerves and the cranial nerves belong to the PNS, and 77% felt that only spinal nerves belong to the PNS, and 5% felt that only cranial nerves belong to the PNS. This tells us one thing: this topic needs clarity than confusion. So let's understand this from its basics. We all know that the nervous system can be divided into two: the central nervous system consisting of the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system consisting of the nerves and the ganglia. The key difference between both of them is not where a nerve starts, but what its role and structure are. CNS basically consists of the brain and the spinal cord, which act as processing and integration centers. PNS consists of the nerves that carry signals to and from the CNS. So, any structure whose main job is conducting impulses is functionally part of the peripheral nervous system. Looking into the cranial nerves, where do they fit? They carry motor commands from the brain, bring sensory information to the brain, connect the CNS to the muscles, glands, and sensory organs. This role is exactly that of the PNS. They do not process information, rather, they transmit it. So, understanding the concept why cranial nerves are put under PNS is because of its function and not just its origin. So, where does the confusion arise? It happens because the cranial nerves are attached to the brain and the brain is a part of CNS. So, it's natural to assume that the nerves are CNS too. But the classification in anatomy is based on function and structure and not just the point of origin. There is also one important thing to notice that the standard anatomy books teach us. The optic nerve and the olfactory nerve have certain CNS-like characteristics. Despite this, the cranial nerves as a group are still classified under PNS in standard teaching and examinations. Here is the clip of the poll that we conducted. This is exactly why strong basics matter. When concepts are clear, classification stops feeling confusing. If this helped you see cranial nerves differently, share it with someone who's still unsure, because clarity spreads faster than confusion. Thank you.